To troubleshoot Monday.com create form issues. Start by reviewing the form's configuration to ensure all fields are properly set up and connected to the relevant boards and columns. Check that the form is enabled and accessible to the intended users. And verify that the form's permissions are correctly configured. Next, examine the form's fields and ensure they match the column types in the board. For example, if a column in the board is set to date, the corresponding field in the form should also be set to date. Additionally, check that all required fields are marked as such, and that the form's layout is logical and easy to navigate. If users are experiencing issues submitting the form, check the form's submission settings to ensure that the form is set to submit to the correct board, and that the submission trigger is properly configured. Also, verify that the form's email notification settings are correctly set up, so that users receive notifications when the form is submitted. To further troubleshoot, try submitting the form yourself to identify any issues, and check the form's activity log to see if there are any error messages or other indicators of what might be going wrong. You can also try resetting the form to its default settings, or duplicating the form to start from scratch. Best practices for troubleshooting Monday.com create form issues include regularly reviewing and testing the form, keeping the form's configuration up to date, and using clear and descriptive names for the form's fields and columns. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to quickly identify and resolve any issues with your Monday.com Create form.